It may only be a few inches long, but the Matchbox Tesla Model X captures something much bigger: the spirit of innovation, sustainability, and the future of mobility, shrunk down to fit in the palm of your hand. From the moment you see it, this miniature electric SUV stands out. With its sleek, aerodynamic shape and distinctive falcon wing doors, the Matchbox Model X looks just like the real thing. And that's no accident. Matchbox has a long-standing reputation for precision and detail, and this little Tesla is no exception. From the sculpted front end to the rolling wheels and carefully painted accents, it's a true tribute to the full-size Model X. The real Tesla Model X made headlines as one of the first all-electric SUVs with supercar-like performance and high-tech flair. It's silent, fast, futuristic, and completely emissions-free. The Matchbox version brings that story to the toy aisle, showing kids and collectors alike that electric doesn't mean boring. It means bold, smart, and exciting. But this diecast car does more than just look good. It represents a shift in how we think about play. The Matchbox Tesla Model X is one of the first die-cast cars made from 99% recycled materials, using recycled zinc and plastic-free packaging. That means it's not just a model of an eco-friendly car, it is an eco-friendly product. It's part of Matchbox's commitment to building a more sustainable future, one tiny vehicle at a time. And while kids love it for its cool looks and speed on the track, adults admire it for what it stands for: the merging of clean technology and modern design. It's a perfect symbol for a new generation, one that cares about the planet and still wants to have fun. The Matchbox Tesla Model X proves that great design, big ideas, and forward thinking aren't just for full-size vehicles. They belong in toy boxes, collections, and imaginations around the world. Small in size, big in meaning, this isn't just a toy. It's a spark of the future.